Again, doing something different today. We're here in Croom, County Limerick, doing a JCB with a block DPF. Yeah, let's give it a go. We found our first problem. Bracket clamp, sorry, it's come loose and it's dropped down, but the DPF is blocked. Regardless, we'll be cleaning it. So we've the launch connected up here now. Now. Oh. Strange thing is, once I clean the DPF, it started kicking in a regen itself. So I'm gonna have to let it finish off itself and carry on, I suppose. Oh, Jimmy, we got her. So let's get in.